And it's another mystery.
Well, something strange happened in Southern Highlands last night, and we're trying to get to the bottom of it. Yeah, pretty strange. A loud, continuous, low-pitched humming noise drew neighbors outside, but no one seems to know what it is. 13 Action News reporter David Schumann went digging for the answer.
Something may be lurking in these here mountains south of Las Vegas.
Humming, I would say, like a metal iron humming.
The mysterious pitch at 12:15 in the morning was loud enough for Anna Ketterlin to hear while she watched TV.
We looked at the sky, we could not see any planes or anything moving.
She says it went on for 12 minutes straight. Viewers call us with story ideas, tips, or to ask for help all the time. This was one of the more unusual requests. Figure out what this noise is. We thought it may have come from the U.S. Army Reserve Center close by. Our email to them wasn't returned.
It sounds like a train.
A train seems possible. Tracks run in the desert on the other side of the mountains. Neither the BLM nor the owner of a nearby quarry got back to us about that.
If you can find out anything, me and my friends are waiting for answers.
Anna's neighbors aren't as hungry for the truth as she is.
It's a weird noise, but it's definitely, even if I woke up by it, I wouldn't think about it too much.
But Anna's lived here for 2 years, and she's never heard anything like it. That's why she's convinced it wasn't a train. So we asked her if she's considered something supernatural.
No, I don't really believe in UFOs, but I believe in higher powers.
Marlene Calhoun looked for something simpler.
We live by the freeway, so I probably would have thought it's something from the freeway.
Right.
I don't know. Weird.
Every neighbor we talked to had an opinion on the noise. What we want to know now is, did you hear it? Do you have any ideas about what it might have been? Do you care? Please let us know on our social media accounts. We're not ready to give up on this mystery just yet. David Schumann, 13 Action News.
Wow, I can't wait to hear the responses on this story. And we looked into this story when Anna reached out to us. As always, if you have a problem or a concern you want us to look into, just send us an email to 13investigates@ktnv.com and please include your name and your phone number.